Now that the furring strips are welded on and the mounting brackets are in place, it's time to install the walls. I have 10 pieces of plywood to install, and I'm doing them all vertically oriented for the maximum strength. The walls I'll be using is a 3/8 inch ACX ply. I'm mostly sourcing these from the big box stores. These aren't just square hunks of wood I need to cut out because there needs to be holes for the windows and the mounting brackets, and I also need to notch out the backside in a couple places to accommodate some of the furring strips, so it's pretty complicated. So I want to talk about how I located the holes for the brackets. Originally I was going to try to use a tape measure, but it turns out that was really hard, so I created these pins that marked the plywood. Then I took the plywood and pressed it up against the wall, leaving 2 marks. Those 2 marks acted like registration points that I could take this 3D printed template and trace out the square that needed to be cut for the bracket. This actually worked out pretty good and gave me really accurate hole locations that I could jigsaw out. All other cuts could be done with a tape measure. All the walls have a French polish, which is about like 8 layers of shellac and sanding in between each layer. It produces a really smooth and pleasant to the touch finish. I'm going to go ahead and close out this video with just some random photography I took during the build.